thermostat wiring issues can totally mess with your home's heating and cooling, making your system act all weird and inconsistent. So, first, always turn off the power to your HVAC system before you start poking around the thermostat wires. You don't want to get zapped or fry anything. Next, carefully remove the thermostat cover and check if any wires are loose, frayed, or corroded. That's usually the culprit behind intermittent operation. Make sure each wire is connected to the right terminal. Mixing these up can cause your system to freak out. If a wire looks damaged, strip a little insulation off and twist it tight, or replace it if you can. Sometimes using a bit of electrical tape or wire nuts helps keep connections solid and safe. After fixing things up, put the cover back on and restore power to test if your thermostat works steady now. If it still acts up, double check the wiring or call a pro before things get worse. One of the biggest mistakes with thermostat wiring is ignoring loose or corroded connections. Those bad boys cause your system to switch on and off randomly, so tightening or cleaning them can save you headaches. Another common slip-up is mixing up wires on terminals, which confuses your HVAC and leads to erratic heating or cooling. Always use the wiring diagram or label wires before messing with them. Lastly, skipping the power shutoff before working on wiring is super risky and can damage your thermostat or worse, so always cut power first and be safe. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the hassle. No more scrolling through endless reviews or shady listings. And if you're a contractor, it's a great way to get steady work by connecting with people who really need your skills,